Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how this Honda starters this is not working. We're gonna find out that why it's not working. So yeah, what we're gonna do now, we will take it out two screw from here. So easy, just with the pliers. I want to just then with the by hand or by tool, just lose it. Right here, one is gone. The second one, sorry, second one. Right, that is on too. So what we're gonna do, just take it out this cover right there, then pull this body right here. As you see, you can see the inside. So why is not working? I find out that, as you see, like, so this is, it should be like a little longer. As you see, this one, it's almost gone. Wait, do you see that? See? This is the one that I want to show. Almost done. If you compare with this guy, yeah, this is almost done. The other one also almost done. This is two. Yeah, because of these two, this starter is not working. These are it's normal, but it should be around like this. But still, this can work. But because of these two, starter is not starting, and yeah, that's why it's not working. So what we're gonna do, we will change all together, 4 of them. We're gonna put the new one. Yeah, new one we're gonna buy and put it back, and after that it's gonna work. So I just show you what's the problem. With this video I am showing what was the problem with this starter. So now we find the problem, then you can go ahead and buy this part and change it. I hope this video is helpful, you guys, and yeah, see you next time with another video, and bye bye.